Hello everyone and welcome to another Go High Level tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to install the TikTok Pixel in Go High Level funnels. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Step number one, we're going to come here to our TikTok Ads Manager. Then we're going to hover on Tools and we're going to select Events. We're going to click Events and we're going to open our Events Manager. Here we're going to navigate to Data Sources from the left-hand side, and we are going to click on our pixel. So we are going to select our TikTok Pixel, and once we select our TikTok Pixel, then we're going to go to Settings here. Once we go to Settings, we're going to scroll a little bit down, and under Install Base Code, we're going to say View Instructions. And here we're going to find the TikTok tracking code. So we're going to copy the tracking code, and now we're going to go High Level. You are going to go to Sites from the left-hand side. You're going to select Funnels, and you are going to click on your funnel. Once you click on your funnel, you're going to go to Settings, and under Settings, you're going to paste this code right here under Body Tracking Code, and you are going to save. Don't forget to save once you paste the tracking code. So one more time, you are going to navigate to Events Manager in your TikTok Ads Manager. So Tools, Events Manager, you're going to select Data Sources. You're going to click on your pixel settings, scroll down under Install Base Code. You're going to say View Instructions, copy the code, then go High Level. You select your funnel, you go to Settings, under Body Tracking Code. You're going to paste the TikTok Pixel here, and you are going to save, and that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.